What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install or replace a serpentine belt on a 2008 BMW 328i, and this procedure be basically the same on all the E90 models, well, from like 06 to 010, I think. I'm not quite sure, but it's the same procedure. And before we get into it, I just want to thank you guys so much for the support. Even though I haven't been posting for a while, but I'm seeing the comments on the subscription coming in just the same. So thank you guys for supporting, and please don't forget to subscribe. So if you're not yet a subscriber, go and hit the subscribe button somewhere down here and turn on the post notification, so every time I post a video you'll be notified. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the serpentine belt is located right here in the front. As you can see, the car is also leaking oil from the oil filter housing, so I'm gonna have to change that gasket also, but that will be in the next video. As for the serpentine belt, it's located right here in the middle, in the front, and to change this, we're gonna have to, this thing right here, this is a T16, and this is what you're gonna use to move the tension. The tension is right here, and you know, it goes around the crankshaft pulley, then it goes around the power steering pulley right there, then it goes around the idler pulley right here, and then the alternator pulley, and it goes back over here to the AC compressor. So basically with the T60, we're gonna put it on the top of the tension pulley right here. Then you're gonna push it clockwise, release the tension. I can pull off the belt. The belt is off. Now it's only a matter of taking off the belt. Belt off. See? So to install the belt, first we're gonna start from the crankshaft pulley. Then we're gonna go to the power steering pulley right there, then the left side of this idle pulley, and then over to the alternator pulley, and back down to the AC pulley over there, and then up in the middle back to the tensioner. So I'm gonna put the phone down and install the belt, and then I'm gonna attach a diagram to show you how it looks. So the new belt is now on, as you can see. I'm going to attach a diagram now so you can see how the belt goes from the crankshaft pulley to the power steering pulley to the idle pulley, then up to the alternator and back down to the AC compressor pulley, and straight up back to the tensioner. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting me, and see you in the next one. Peace.